Arthveda Alpha US 500. So this is exactly the same 500 stocks as S&P. It's about 12.6. And this is a select version with only 50 best stocks, so that's 13%. Fun fact is it beats Buffett over last 10 years. Okay, so it's does it work only in US? No, we've done this across the globe on all the major markets, including India. So all other than India, all are majority developed markets. This is the details for India. So average mutual fund return is about 18%. Nifty total return index. So this includes the price as well as the dividend. Normally when you think of Nifty, you say Nifty is 7,500 or so. That's the price index of Nifty. What we have put down here is the total return index of Nifty, which is about 9,400 or so as of now, including dividends. So that's 19%. Top quartile mutual funds beating it slightly, 19.3%. Average smart beta return 19.4, so it's near about there. Arthveda Alpha L50 21, and that's a aggressive, very select version with 27. So across the markets, you can see in the Indian market, the US market, the UK, Japan, Eurozone, as well as global, which is all the developed markets put together. You can see the benchmark returns. You can see the returns in INR of these alpha strategies, and you can see the percentage of mutual funds they're beating in each market. So there is something which is going on in the world of investment management, which is shaking it. We might have felt the tremors or not, but it's going to happen. And what it is saying is that a lot of active fund management activity only takes away from the returns. Okay? But still there is a way to beat the market, not by very much, but at least by few percentage points. On large sums of money over long term, it makes a lot of difference. So where is, so I'll just show you a chart of, yeah. So Arthveda Alpha strategy, I'll come to that. This is the normal way where we look at active funds and we buy and sell and pick stocks. Okay, the net result is that there is lower return than the benchmark. The next best thing is indexing, where you buy the market in the proportion in which all the companies are there in the market cap weight. You will get index-like returns. This is something where you're getting charged fees for active management, but the fund manager is actually buying the index for you. Okay, so this is something you want to definitely avoid. The new trend is smart beta, which at low cost is able to give you little bit excess return over the index, and we have established a separate portion in the smart beta space. This is one of the early adopters, and the statement they are making, that they've studied, they've tracked, they've invested with these strategies, and the statement is that yes, over a period of time, we're going to see active, we're going to see passive, and we're going to see a very significant allocation to smart beta. Okay, so that's done with asset allocation, and now my panelists will help us illuminate these concepts. So I'll just run a few points which we will be discussing once they are on the panel. Can you invite the panel, please?